Hello everyone, this is Palkshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. We were working with this dress yesterday. I showed you the sketch made by one of my subscribers. I showed you how to make a pattern with this dress. We made it on the basis of the pattern for the dresses with dolman sleeves. I've already showed you more than 10 dresses made using this pattern. I showed you how to adjust the pattern of one design for a dress of absolutely different design. This dress is long. There is a bolero imitation in it. The front is decorated with a detail of different fabric. This is a fit and flare dress. The prints and seam make it look absolutely amazing. The dress is tied under the hips and then flared at the bottom. The pattern for this dress is ready. In the next video, I will tag the dress and Oля will try it on. What is very important is that I will show you how to tag and attach a stand collar. Guys, I'm happy to get a feedback from you. Knowing that you find my tutorials useful is the best reward for me. I teach you to use your imagination, to work with patterns and designs, to not be afraid of using different details and techniques. I want you to be free from ready-made patterns. I want you to be different and beautiful. It's impossible if you wear clothes of one and the same design every day. I want you to learn to work with different lines. Don't be afraid to use your imagination. If you, for example, don't like bolero imitation, don't make it. If you want to make a V-neck dress, do it. If you want to attach a zipper, make a seam on the center back and insert a zipper in it. You can attach a long concealed zipper in such dress. Do not forget that we don't attach zippers in the side seams in the dresses with dolman sleeves. You can make a dress with a stand collar or without it. You can make a 6-cord or an 8-cord skirt. Use your imagination. You can also cover this bolero detail with lace, for example. It will also look very beautiful. You can change this dress however you like. You do not necessarily have to make it long. You can make a knee-level dress. Make it a bit shorter or longer. It's up to you. I showed you the sketch, the design. I showed you how to make a pattern for this dress. You can watch my tutorials, see something interesting, learn new sewing techniques, and then make whatever you want using them. I am not telling you to make absolutely the same dress. You can sew whatever you want. I show you new designs, ideas, and techniques. You are free to do whatever you want. Of course, it would be much easier to make a simple dress with dolman sleeves and add a couple of seams to it. I show you such complicated designs to show you different sewing techniques which you can use in your work. This dress is very interesting. Flare, stand collar, bolero imitation. You can use just one of these details of one of your dresses. It will still make me very happy. Of course, I wanted to give your opinion on what I'm doing. I just don't want you to criticize my work. If you don't like the seam or the length of the dress, change it. It's absolutely okay if you don't like what I show you. Make a seam on the center back if you want to. I know that my subscribers are very talented. I love it when you send me photos of the clothes you make. I know that some people manage to sew something new, while the others spend time writing angry comments under the videos. Talented and hard-working people make me happy. As I've already said, it's better to try sewing something, make mistakes, fix them, and then sew a perfect item from scratch, than to sit in front of your computer telling everyone that you know how to do something in theory. I don't like it when people write that clothes we make are ugly. Sew beautiful ones if you don't like what we do. Ladies, don't think that this dress is old-fashioned. I've already showed you this magazine. I bought it in Paris last fall. There are 31 designs of fit and flare dresses in it. There are some designs which are never out of fashion. I also want to show you some interesting pages in this magazine. They show some designs and details they recommend for learning to sew. Isn't that what we were doing yesterday? You need to know how to make seams and tucks and how to alter them. You need to know how to make collars and pockets, how to work with lining, how to edge seams, how to make different colors. You need to know how to flare items. You can make a close-fitting dress with a slit on the back. It will also look very beautiful. Some say that the techniques I show you are too simple. Do you really want me to show you complicated techniques? I will be able to manage with them. Will you? I honestly don't think so. First, you need to learn some simple basic techniques and only then move on to complicated ones. For some of you, even basic techniques will be enough. As I've already said, before telling what is stylish and what is not, you should look through modern fashion magazines. I know that they're pretty expensive, so I try to show you the ones I have. You can also Google them. Look through different fashion online magazines. We all know that fashion repeats itself. What was in trend in 2009 may be in trend again in 2018. Just think about jackets with big shoulders. They were in trend a very long time ago, and they are in trend now again. Nowadays, fashion allows us wearing almost anything we want. We are very lucky. Guys, please send me photos of clothes you make. I will be really happy to see them. I love to get feedback from you. Be polite and tolerant. Be different and beautiful. Learn to sew. Learn new techniques and designs. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.